updaters, and welcome to my podcast, Updated with Nelson Canlas. I'm your host, Nelson Canlas, at ngayon nandito tayo sa red carpet ng pinakamalaking GMA event of the year, ang GMA Gala 2024. At dyan lang kayo at bibigyan namin kayo ng mga updates para sa gabing ito. Dalaga steps, dalaga
Ang tagal kong makarating, di ba?
Dalaga steps.
Oo, long-legged.
Grabe, but you're looking so lovely tonight.
Thank you. Thank you, Nelson.
Anong nilulook forward mo sa gabing to?
Syempre yung program, hindi ba? At yung food, at yung mga hitsura. Hindi ba? Hinihintay ko, tinitinan ko kung ano yung mga damit.
Siyempre kasi pag taping, di ba, hindi naman ganito itsura natin eh.
Oo, hindi naman ganito si Elsa, hindi ba?
Mane, thank you, enjoy the night. Thank you. You are looking so young. Anong sikreto?
It's in the genes, I guess. And
I believe you, I believe
and
you.
you just have to be happy. Yes.
Happy every day.
The fountain of youth is found in happiness.
That's right, that's right.
Pwede bang gumano?
Ayan, diba? Kung meron kang tatarayan tonight, sino ang tatarayan?
Wala. Kasi gay lang ngayon eh. Oo, hindi na tayo in character. Pinky
Oo.
naman ngayon.
Pinky naman
Pero
ngayon.
pwede rin Morgana, go, go, go.
Oo.
Ayan.
Pero kung sasapian ka ng ng katauhan ni Morgana, kung papipiliin ka ng isang kapuso star na tatarayan mo, sino kaya?
Naku, sino kaya? Wala siya dito eh. Wala si Lynette dito eh. Nag-absent, siguro natakot.
Natakot yan. Natakot yan.
Hindi,
Oo.
joke only.
Anong pakiramdam ng 25? But you are looking so gorgeous.
Thank you.
Thank
And I would
you.
like to add, I am senior this year.
No way.
Yes.
Wow.
March.
What's a secret?
Walang sakit sa ulo.
Happy lang.
Happy lang. Oo, trabaho lang. Happy lang. Makisama sa lahat. Ganon. Di ba?
Miss Alice, you are looking so lovely.
Thank you.
As always.
Thank you very much.
Grabe. You know, we saw you at the Binibining Pilipinas night, and grabe, and it's like yesterday. You still look the same. What's your secret?
Maraming secret. But if I told you, it won't be a secret na, di ba?
Oo naman. Pero grabe, what's the tip na lang? You know, give us tips.
Tips
to
would
look
be,
young.
Try not to be too stressed, number one. Drink a lot of liquids, like especially water, and try to sleep early para refreshed ka in the morning.
Just like you are now.
Thank you.
And I am so loving your character sa Widow's War. Grabe. Hindi na ako makabitaw.
Thank you, kapatid. Ako din. Alam mo ba, kami na gumagawa nito pero pinanonood ko pa din, promise, sa YouTube.
I always watch it through the weekend.
Talaga? How do you, what can you say about her
She's
acting?
really phenomenal.
Wow, phenomenal talaga.
ROI,
First time ko narinig
ROI yan, madam. ROI.
Yes.
Ayan.
ROI talaga.
Oo.
No, thank you, anak.
You're walking as a family.
As usual.
Pero syempre, parang coordinated, ano?
coordinated.
Sino ba ang namili? Si daddy o si mommy?
Actually, hindi kami nag-coordinate.
Talaga?
Surprise na lang pinanili ni Ryan Ablasa.
Ryan Ablasa, Yusuf.
And syempre, di ba, you're looking sharp, my friend.
Thank you. Local tayo ngayon, ha? Hair and Makeup by Makeup Academy. Ryan Ablasa Yuso, Back Row.
Support local.
Oo, Salamin by Bini.
Totoo ba to?
Hindi.
Kasi baka shoes by SB19. What are you looking forward to tonight?
Seeing old faces, seeing new faces, at saka si Vice Ganda. Kasi para matuloy na yung movie namin.
Oh, why not? Di ba? Why not?
Mamaya maniwala sila.
Hindi, di ba? I mean, I'm also looking forward to that eh. Thank you.
Why not?
Oo, pumayag na ba ang manager?
Eto, na. Siya pa nga tumutulak sa amin.
Vice ka na, vice ka na. Thank you very much. You.
Hello. This is my daughter Emma.
Oh my God,
very nice to meet you.
parang anak ko na rin. Of course, we saw your preparations on social media. And then, ang una ko napansin is your hat.
So, medyo nag-iba tayo ng sombrero ngayon. Kasi suot ko sa TV for the past 20 years, it's called the Stetson Safari Hat. Ito naman, medyo Stetson Formal Hat.
Wow.
Pero pareho.
Formal. Kasi formal event.
Kailangan naka-hat eh. Kasi pag walang hat, naiilang ang tao, parang iba. So, kailangan naka-hat talaga.
And your date is looking so sharp.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Buti na papayag ka.
I can't speak Tagalog very well.
Oh, no, okay. Yeah.
I can understand.
I can understand a little bit.
Ito naman ang anak ko si Eman, na katatapos naman ng high school. At ito ang pinakaunang GMA event niya.
Wow.
And sasali siya na Sparkle.
Wow, you're going to join Sparkle very soon.
Yes, very, very soon. It's in the works. This is my first ever red carpet event of all time. I'm so nervous.
And we look forward to seeing more of you, not just in the red carpet and well, I don't know, movies or
Hopefully.
serie.
Fingers crossed.
Is he going to be your manager?
Oh, no,
Well,
of course.
Sparkle's for manager.
Yeah, Sparkle is managing.
Aral muna siya ng
Tagalog.
Tagalog, Marte, kumanta, sumayaw, the first year.
He's in
will
good
be-
hands sa'yo.
I hope so.
Well, thank you very much and enjoy the
Thank you so
night.
much.
Thank you, Tito Nelson. Maraming salamat. Sir Tito Nelson.
Thank you, Tito Nelson.
Siya lang ang allowed, mag-Tito Nelson sa akin. Thank you very much. Anong nilook forward mo, mama?
Siyempre masaya kasi first time ko umatin. First time ko to. So excited. Diba? Siyempre, kakain ako, gutom na ako.
Magsisharo. Hindi ka pwedeng magsharo ng liit ng bag mo.
Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Kutsarita lang ako ngayon. Hindi ka siya.
Meron ka bang nilook forward na kapuso na makabanding tonight?
Lahat sila syempre. Syempre. And
Pero if
especially
there's one person na sino unang-unang pumapasok sa isip?
Marian.
Marian, bakit?
Marian, I love yan yan. Kasi uli ko siya nakasama yung ano namin, yung Jose and Maria.
Ah,
Miss ko na siya.
matagal na yun ah.
Oo, yun yung huli namin, yung sitcom, Bintulong. Diba? Yeah. Kaya kasi lahat yung mga Sparkle family natin.
So lilibot ka tonight?
Yes. Isa akong parang-parang ngayong gabi.
Ayan, ayan.
Alam ko siya pupunta.
Dito tayo, grabe. Oo, ano bang nilook forward mo tonight? Ay, may paano? May pasabog.
Hello, mga
Ikaw ba, Pichi, ano pasabog mo?
Wala, very simple lang. Oo. Simple lang. Lagi kasi, ano nila?
Kasi sawa ka na sa pasabog.
Hindi naman. Parang mas gusto ko ng ano, simple lang.
Oo.
Simple. Pero pasapag pag
Oo, at
kasi
saka-
nag-turtleneck ako. For the first time.
For the conservativeness, ganyan.
For due respect. Formalities. Yes.
Eh ito naman, alam mo, may pasabog ka, meron kang gown transformation sa red
I
carpet.
know, di ba?
From black to white.
From black to white. Kasi sabi na black and white. So, pinanindigan natin
Oo,
yung black and
and
white.
Nagulat ka ba nung nagpasabog?
I love it!
Pero,
Really, thank you.
pero ito, sexy din. Oh.
Ang
Nagulat din
ganda.
ako. Oo.
And sabi niya, ang peg niya is Spider-Woman.
Yes, kasi ang spiders, they weave their own webs. And ako dahil magte-20 na ako next year, talagang
my
adult na ako.
gosh!
I'm weaving my own intricate web into adulthood.
Ay, oo.
Diba? Ako naman, ako lang nag-concept nito. So, we want na magbigay ng bagong pasabog ngayong gala. Kasi diba, every time na meron tayong gala, nagle-level up tayo. So, now, meron tayong
Transformation.
transformation.
Oo.
Queen.
Oh, wow!
Ayan. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry, tatanungin ko muna siya kung kamusta na ang resulta ng DNA test.
Hindi pa po natin alam. Hindi pa po
I'm sure napapanood mo.
Yeah, pinapanood ko minsan pag wala ng kissing.
Nagsiselos ka pa rin pag may gano'n.
Hindi lang ako sanay, pero hindi naman nagsiselos. Siyempre. Anyway, next question.
Next question. Congratulations sa your serye. Parang na-extend yata na naman.
Extended. Thank you.
Teka muna, huli ko kasi napanood, tinututukan ka eh. Ano ba to?
Apo, andun na tayo sa part
Saan ba
na yun.
mauuwi ito?
Ay, naku, abangan niyo po. Abangan niyo kung saan mapupunta yun. Very exciting po. And nag-taping na rin po kami ng bagong kaso. So, abangan niyo po yan.
Jo, ano kaya ang sikreto kung bakit mahal na mahal ka ng mga kapuso?
Ala, hindi ko rin po alam! Hindi ko po alam. Sa totoo lang. Pero thank you po sa pagmamahal ng lahat ng nanonood lagi ng Let Me This Attorney at Law.
That's right. Babagrade kita bago kita paalisin ha. Ano ba naman ang bag mo?
Kung may pagkain dito. Ano lang naman po, ayun. Powder.
Powder,
lipstick,
pang-retouch.
and pabango, yes, pang-retouch.
Puro pang-retouch ang dala mo, Jo.
Po, walang pagkain eh.
Ba't gano'n? Ay, hindi.
Para ready.
Maraming space para sa pagkain.
Ready.
Ayan. Gusto ko ang outfit mo. Grabe.
Naka-DMs ka, I love
Yes. First time ko mag-DM. Tonight, I'm wearing Louis Gonzalez tonight. And
May nagtanong na ba nun sa'yo?
Wala pa, ikaw pa lang.
Ayun,
Oo.
diba? Louis Gonzalez.
Pero talaga grabe, you're so classic. And syempre, you brought the sparkle tonight.
Ito nga yung sparkle. Kasi
S. Sparkle. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Makes sense with the sparkle and with the showbiz stars tonight. Ang saya kasi ang dami kong nakikita hindi ko nakikita regularly. Parang sa mga event na ganito, dito lang talaga nangyayari yan eh. Yung gathering of artists, directors, reporters, important people in the industry. Kaya parang ang saya to celebrate GMA together.
You look so in love.
Beautiful.
Beautiful and in love.
Simple.
Simple. Elegant. Oo.
Okay.
Ano ba sikreto ba? Why do you look so fresh?
Kasi it's a new beginning for me. Wow, new beginning for me.
Okay. Pag-usapan natin yan.
Joke lang. Hindi, may bago kasi ang show, kaya new beginning. Yan. Ayan.
Oo. So, pahinga muna si Romana.
Pahinga mo na si Romana. Yan. Yun, abangan nila yun, ha?
Hoy, pinaghirapan niyo yun,
Yes, of
Ay,
course.
Mommy Dearest.
Yes.
Nagsimula ka na ba mag-taping?
Yes, last December pa.
And this time, mapapanood na natin.
Yes.
Anong role mo dyan?
Siyempre, inspired po ako dahil maraming blessing, di ba?
Oh.
I'm so blessed.
At si Katie, di ba?
Katie, of course, yeah.
Teka muna, parang ba't nag-iisa ka sa red carpet?
Solo lang tayo ngayon, boss.
Kulang yata tayo ng isa.
Oo nga. Sana next year kasama na si Sarah. Sana.
Nabanggit mo ba sa kanya?
Oo naman. Alam naman yan dito tayo. Sana next year.
Sana.
Next year.
We look forward to that.
Thank you very much.
Mateo,
More power to you, ha?
More
God
power.
bless you.
Thank you. Paano ninyo napili yung mga outfits na yan?
Kay Nelson, ako, may nagano sa akin talaga, nag-sponsor kung saan tinanong niya ko anong gusto kong outfit at nasunod niya agad-agad. So, eto na ang defensive outfit.
Defensive outfit? Oo, parang ano.
Lalaban niya. Ikaw, my friend.
Well, ako naman, nakipag-collaborate ako sa aking kababayan and schoolmate nung high school kay Adam Balasa. So, this is a custom
Very detailed, ha?
Yes, this is wet. Ang tawag dito is liquid fabric suit. So medyo nandito.
Wow.
So medyo we're on the same page naman nung sinasabi ko yung gusto kong all black. Kasi first time kong umattend ng GMA Gala. So
first time?
I'm really excited. Yeah.
Wow. Kung papipiliin kayo ng isang crush ninyo na maisasama ninyo sa gala tonight, sino to? Unahin kita, Ira.
Si Bubay na lang.
Ay, bakit parehas tayo ng isip? Ako naman, Aaron naman.
Wow. Pwede na kayong mag-date kasi, di ba?
Pwede ba, friend? First time mo?
First time.
Second time.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go.
I-assist ako ni Bubay.
Tara.
Of
I'll
course.
take you there.
Ayan. Enjoy the night.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pasabog naman ang outfit.
Of course, dapat pasabog kasi kapuso tayo. Kailangan we're always on our toes. Kailangan binibigay natin yung best natin. At saka, I wanna feel good para I look good.
You wanna go all out.
Yeah.
And Mac, grabe, I love the outfit.
Thank you.
It's so
Thank you,
smart.
Michael
And
Leva.
even the look, ha? Talaga, even the
Parang
hair.
iba lang. Kasi last gala night, medyo formal, safe, and ngayon medyo mag-experiment tayo.
Talk about safe.
Diba? Sabihan natin yung hindi masyadong safe.
There's nothing safe there.
Really safe, safe.
Hindi ka ba natatakot? Like parang...
Sila ang dapat matawag.
Ayun.
Today, officially my first ever GMA ball. I'm wearing black. From white to black naman ako.
Okay, how does it feel? Sabi mo nga, first time.
Yeah, I feel so happy and blessed to be here kasi I'm finally with a lot of artists here. I'm a fan of some that I already saw on the line, so I'm really excited to be here.
That's right. And you have a special bag. Wow.
Yes. So thank God for our co-presenter today from GMA Ball is Bingo Plus, and because they have been an amazing foundation, of course I'm gonna bring them all with me anywhere I go. So here is a bag.
What's in the bag?
Tissue and just a
Perfume?
cologne. Yes, tissue and a cologne.
Why?
Well, I can't fit everything in my bag, so just anything that is small inside.
You always do this, like you always have a small bag lang.
I have like a small and a big bag just so that I have, an option.
You've been eating a lot lately, and how is that for you?
Well, the Filipino food is so good. Bangus, ginigtaang gulay, sinigang ng salmon.
hilig ko na sinigang salmon. But I'm also working out a lot too.
Yeah, and it shows, and it shows, and it shows. Okay, what makes you go out? Like, parang, of course, sometimes you go out into the public, you go out into the streets, and then try street food.
You know, I'm just so curious because to me it's fun to try different things. Even in the Philippines or wherever I travel, if I haven't tried it before, I'm curious and I want to try it. So I tried balut recently.
You
and
did,
the
and
Penoy.
you're a pescatarian,
Yes, ayoko.
but you did.
Yeah, but it's like a rite of passage. I felt I needed to do it.
Papipiliin ka ng isang Kapuso star that you're going to have, you know, to spend the whole night with, just chatting. Sino to?
Hindi to ba si Kylie Padilla?
Wow! Bakit si Kylie? Bakit si Kylie?
Hindi, I have just a huge crush on her.
Wow.
Kasi she's not only beautiful, she's
I will tell on you, lagot ka. Sabihin ko.
Sige lang. Sana makausap ko tonight.
Kung papipiliin ba kayo ng leading lady ngayong gala, sinong gusto niyong piliin?
Miss Sanya Lopez.
Bakit?
Kasi matagal ko ng crush yate sa kanya.
Sabihin ko yan.
Sige ba?
Serena or Keisha.
Ay, dalawa pa?
Dalawa?
Kasi matagal kami nagkakilala ng Sparkle Beans.
Friends talaga kayo?
Nade-develop po namin yung relationships namin. Kaya,
Yeah.
yun.
Sa crush mo ba to?
Oh, pwedeng no.
Crush siya. Siguro Carmela Ford.
Wow, imported naman.
Imported yan? Hindi po imported. Taga dito po yan. At yan, siguro her.
Ayan. Happy birthday first of all. Ano ba ang gift sa iyo ni Julian?
Araw-araw naman niya ako binibigyan ng regalo dahil lagi niya pinapasaya everyday.
Huwag ganun. Happiness lang. Wala man lang nakabalo.
Meron niya.
May advance na binigay na ako sa kanya. Actually, like months ago.
Siyempre, sobrang saya ko sa... Ayoko kasi i-brag kung ano yung mga regalo ni Jules, pero alam niya kasi kung ano yung papasaya sa akin bukod sa kanya siya.
Ano daw to? Spill na natin, dali na. Total birthday mo naman.
Hindi, siyempre,
Guitar.
Guitar. Anong klaseng guitar to? Special guitar?
It's a special one because I think it's one of the string guitars.
And pag makita nila sa IG ko yung the red one. Birthday ko eh.
So yun na yun. Oo. What do you normally talk about pag nakikita niyo mga kaibigan niyo sa ganito?
Catch-up lang.
Everything.
Chismis?
Oo.
I mean, it's here and there, pero nandun na
Mamaya, yung episode ng Running Man, pag-uusapan namin ng runners.
Oo, kasi actually kaya kami ngayon nakapunta sa red carpet dahil tinapos muna namin yung Running Man episode for tonight.
Makes sense. Because I always do. Thank you very much. Thank you. I was thanks. Parang matching shirts, ha? Sino ba nag-isip nito?
Actually, both our teams.
Yeah.
Nakakatuwa kasi first night din namin na umattend ng event na parehas kami ng designer na suot. We both are wearing Joey Samson. Of course, I'm styled by John Paul Vita.
Yes, and I'm styled by Mr. David Milan. Kasi parang for me, dahil nga since patapos na yung Black Rider, so it's a tribute for Black Rider. Diba? So, you know, special na kasuotan para sa special na gabi. So it's a modern take on classic Hotels tuxedo.
Nakaka-proud ba, Bianx? Kasi alam naman natin yung dugot pawis ang pinuhunan ng kaibigan natin dito.
Ako naman palagi ang number one fan at unang-unang taong papalakpak sa lahat ng success niyo.
At ito rin, busy rin po ha.
Yes, and sobrang proud din ako dyan kasi nga, syempre, she's doing Sangre right now. At alam naman natin na sobrang naging malaking parte rin ng buhay ko ang Encantadia. So ngayon na nandun siya sa show na yun, I'm just very proud na nandun siya at nakikita ko yung efforts niya, hard work niya, and I'm sure talagang tatangkilikin to ng mga manager.
Teka muna, ano bang mga pinag-uusapan ng mga lovebirds bago pumunta sa gala? Siyempre, di ba? Meron ba kayong mga bawal dito, bawal gawin to?
Actually, wala naman kaming ganun. It's more of talagang kinokondisyon namin yung isa't isa to have a great time, to enjoy the night, and to look forward to what memories are going to be created. Alalahanin namin kapag naman napunta na tayo sa 2025 naman ng GMA Gala.
Ayan.
Well, kami naman ni Bianca siguro, sometimes may kinakabahan ako. I don't know, for some reason. Pero pag nakasama ko si Bianca, nawawala yung kaba ko.
Ayan. Kaya
So,
pala,
kaya nakalingkis
kaya
ako
pala
sa
grabe
kanya.
pagkakalingkis ah. Anyway, enjoy the night. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. You know, I talked to you sa pre-gala, no? Parang every time you come up with something, kailangan coordinated and you look so coordinated tonight.
Of course, we're a pair, so we really wanna come in prepared.
And you did. You did. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Sir Nelson.
I will.
Good, ganda.
I try.
Tsaka gusto ko yung pabigote mo.
Ngayon lang to, Makati eh. I think ko na bukas. How do you guys feel that syempre we have another opportunity to be with our Kapuso friends?
Well, I've always been, home here talaga sa GMA. So, but I was still surprised, syempre, na in-invite ako. And I'm
Bakit naman
super
surprised, of
grateful.
course.
Last year, dito rin naman.
Oo nga.
First 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm very, very grateful that they still invited me, syempre. Kasi yun nga, I always feel at home here in GMA. So, maraming salamat.
And you guys are getting serious? Palabang level up akong naririnig? Like,
Anong level up?
hindi. Si Jake ang tatanungin ko.
Yes, syempre nasa age naman na kami. Siguro anytime pwede naman mangyari yun.
I'm sorry.
Alam mo ba to? Inaalam mo ba to? Alam mo ba to?
Actually, kanina, parang nag-shoot na kami ng prenup kasi naka-white pa ako, di ba?
Ninong na
Shoot lang namin
ako.
panggala lang. No.
May ninong na agad.
May ninong na ako.
Sabi yan.
Is there any specific person kung bibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon tonight na makasama nyo and talk with? Well, except
sa amin na.
Oo, sa inyong dalawa.
Meron na kami.
Yes.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, go. Kong TV. Kong TV.
Bakit?
Nakita namin
Big
siya
fans
na stars
kami,
ako. And nanonood ako ng mga vlogs.
Oo.
We love them.
So, for fanboy and fangirl kayo ngayon?
Hindi naman. Tatago ako.
Tatago.
Tatago kasi kasimple lang na
Saka
fan.
syempre, ang birthday boy, Ray Boy.
Oo, ay. Hi. Of course, alam mo, some of the Kapuso stars na natanong ko kanina, parang sino ba yung gusto mong makausap? Sino si Kong?
Hello po, shoutout po sa lahat. Binabati ko po kayo.
This is your first time to attend. How do you guys feel na nandito kayo?
Nagulat po kasi first time namin makakita ng ganito karaming artista sa loob ng isang lugar. Kaya,
Hindi po namin alam saan kami titingin kasi sobrang talagang grabe yung mga tao
Pabanggang
kasama
fanboy po kami
namin
dito ngayon. Nakita namin si Mang Marian para pag-aparisyon dun sa...
Grabe si Ma'am Mario!
Magpapapicture kayo. And I'm sure maraming magpapapicture sa inyong mga Kapuso stars.
Yeah, okay lang po. Jimbo. Magpicturean po kaming lahat.
Ayan.
Salamat po.
Well, thank you very much and enjoy the night. Thank you. Wow, this is black, white, and sparkling.
Freshwater pearls.
Wow, wow. Sino sa mga Kapuso stars ang gusto mong makabanding tonight?
Marian Rivera.
Why?
She's the godmother of my nephews.
Wow.
So every time I get to see her, we always have a very special bond. So I'm happy, and parang she's always been like a fashion icon. So it's always nice to see.
Anong laman ng packet mo?
Just my phone, my credit card, my ID, and
That is wise. At least diba isa na lang?
yeah, everything's here.
At least wala ka nang dadalhin.
Wala na.
Guys, of course, syempre, di ba, pag ganitong mga red carpet events, wala kayong mga dala. What's in your pocket?
Susi.
Lang?
Saka wallet.
At least may wallet, may pera. Ikaw, Je.
First wallet, cellphone, and then may mouth spray.
Mouth spray? Bakit kailangan ng mouth spray?
Pagkakain, gano'n, tapos maraming kakausapin. Diba?
Ayan.
Bahingin na lang ako mamaya.
How are you? You are looking so sharp. Grabe.
Yeah? Because, I
May pinagpapapugian ka ba ngayon dito?
No, only myself.
Wala ba tayong date?
Wala, baka sa lang magkaroon.
No, hindi natin sure, di ba? Kapuso ladies, alam nyo na. Kilabot.
Black Rider.
ng Black Rider. What's in your pocket?
Pocket? Ngayon mismo? Raid?
Raid to.
Oh, shit. Mask.
Mask? At black pa rin, ah.
Black.
For Black Rider.
Black Rider.
Wala na.
Meron, pero candy.
Candy. Bakit importante ang candy sa'yo?
Para,
Nakaka-relax, tsaka chill.
Chill. At saka syempre, di ba, para hindi nananapak pag kumain ng...
May suka, di ba?
Oo. Of course, syempre, ang galawan natin pag ganyan, pag red carpet. Walang galaw mga boys. Oh, pero what's in your pocket?
Cellphone tsaka lip balm.
Yun lang. Oh, alam mo, kakaiba yan. Bakit lip balm?
Laging dry lips.
Okay.
Tsaka eye drops.
Para ano?
Pag mamaya, pag medyo nakainom na, na mata, patakpan ng konti.
Pocket raid.
Huh?
What's in your pocket?
My pocket is a phone, obviously, and then I have a Belmont key card. Yeah.
Oh yeah, a key card.
Yun lang. Kasi syempre, pag may mga wallet tayo, it becomes bulky, and you don't want that when you're walking this amazing red carpet by GMA.
Pocket raid. Ano laman ng pocket mo? Lagot.
Nandito yung susi, ang kotse. Ayan, susi ng kotse. Tapos sa loob, meron akong mints.
Bakit importante ang mints?
Siyempre, pagkausap natin, lalo na ngayon, gusto mo, face-to-face pa tayo. Yun, siyempre, kailangan natin na.
Oo, siyempre, di ba?
Confident tayo and maganda yung feedback sa atin ng hangin.
Yeah. Oo, para hindi para hindi nananapak. Ang galawan kasi pag ganitong red carpet walang dala yung mga boys. Pero I'm sure meron kang laman sa pocket mo. Anong laman ng pocket mo?
Okay. So, last gala kasi, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako yung nagdala ng bag. Dala ako ng bag na kasi ready for Sharon. Wow.
Hindi ka mag-Sharon ngayon?
Walang Sharon ngayon, pa. Ito, Kuya Nelson, meron ako dito. Siyempre, oil control. Huwag natin pakita yung brand.
Bakit kailangan ng oil control?
Siyempre, para hindi tayo oily pag may mga pictures.
Oo, para fresh.
Yan. So, siyempre, pag binuksan natin itong malaking botones na ito, guys, kukuha lang ako dito.
Multi-purpose pala yan.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko nakuha eh. Meron ako dito. Meron ako dito for later, mamaya. Siyempre, maraming ilaw.
Oo. Para para cool ang dating.
Yun lang naman, pero mamaya na to.
Oo.
Yun lang naman.
Wala kang dalang pera?
Hindi na.
Bakit?
Hindi na uso pera ngayon.
Paano kung may kailangan kang bilhin? Kung alam mo, may nagpalibre sa yung magandang kapuso lady.
Alam mo, si Angel yun for sure. Ako na ililibre niya. Ililibre ako ni Angel Guardian. Angel.
Utang na naman. Utang na naman. Grabe, hanapin ko si Angel ha.
Yes, sige. Pakikamusta lang ako Angel. Di kasi kami nagsabay tonight eh.
Oo nga, bakit nga pala hindi?
Kasi syempre ayoko ma-pressure siya, nag-aayos siya, ganyan. So, sabi ko,
nauna ka muna.
Kailangan ko na mauna. Sama ko na ibang tropa, si Buboy.
Oo, si Buboy na parang nakita ko na.
Nauna na.
O mag-uutang na kayo ni Buboy mamaya.
Thank you, Nelson.
Enjoy. This is giving Encantadia, Sangre.
Yes, exactly.
Whatever, bakit? I mean, paano mo naisip yun?
Bakit? No, actually, gusto ko lang na this time, connected pa din siya sa character ko as Dea. Pero, gusto ko may twist. And so, ayan. Kaya yun.
And you are looking so sexy. Alam mo, kanina kasama ko si Kokoy kasi wala siyang dalang pera.
Ha? Bakit
Kasi wala siyang dalang kahit ano. Like parang cellphone lang. Pag may kailangan daw siyang bayaran, ikaw daw ang magbabayad.
Naku, wala rin po akong dalang pera.
Wala? Kahit credit card?
Wala, Gcash na lang.
Ayan. Thank you very much. Thank you. I will see you later. Thank you. Grabe, it's showtime is here. And hanggang ngayon, sabi ko nga, parata ko na starstruck pag nakikita ko kayo. I'll start with Darren. Of course, syempre, di ba? Anong message nyo sa ating mga kapuso?
Of course, sa mga kapuso po natin na patuloy na po nanonood po ng Showtime, maraming salamat. And yeah, we do this every day for you guys as well.
Sa mga kapuso, unang sa lahat, maraming salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap niyo sa amin at asahan niyo, bibigay pa namin yung best namin dahil ang Showtime, solid na family.
Vice, anong pakiramdam na, syempre, ikaw, anong pakiramdam, syempre, di ba, na nandito ka, and this is your second year.
Yes, second year. Ayan, ang saya-saya namin na sa pangalawang pagkakataon na imbitahan kami ulit. Tapos, mas marami na kami, kasi last year, 4 lang tayo, yata.
Yeah.
Ngayon, mas marami na kami, and hopefully, kung mabibigyan kami ng pagkakataon ulit sa mga susunod na taon na maimbitahan, sana, complete Showtime family na kami.
Why not?
Why not?
Yes, indeed. Pero, who do you look forward to seeing tonight at makabanding?
I'm looking forward to partying with everyone. Ang dami naman naming na-meet na GMA stars magmula nung sumampa tayo sa GMA kasi everyday meron tayong GMA star na kasama. Kaya puro work lang naman yon. So ngayon, I'm looking forward to partying with everyone in GMA.
Why not?
Let's party! Party!
Party! Yes, of course. Thankful kami. Sobrang thankful kami dahil
ang mga kapamilya ay pinapasok niyo sa inyong mga puso. Kaya maraming salamat. At kaya kami nandito ngayon para makiparty sa inyo and of course para ma-meet din yung mga hindi pa namin namimit ang mga kapuso.
Ako rin po, sobrang excited po ako kasi first time po ako attend sa...
Dito si Miss Annette, ha?
Oo.
Dito si Miss Annette.
Oh, kaya nga eh.
Nahanap ka niya.
Oh, bakit ako hinahanap?
Kasama ka.
Kasama ako, syempre. Miss...
For sure, kasama mo si Ryan. Sabi nga talaga, why?
Sabi, Miss Annette?
Why?
Tanong ko siya mamaya kung pwede siya maging ninang.
Nang isang araw.
Ay!
Yes! Ninong ka rin ba?
Hindi. Pero nagpapasalamat ako sa parents ko, pinayagan nila ako. Pero sa mga kapuso, maraming salamat. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. We love you, maraming salamat. And syempre, ang pinakahuling sa lahat, si Sha.
Ay, at sobrang overwhelming po to for me kasi sobrang para siyang milestone na nandito din po ako sa GMA and hindi lang yon at dahil kasama ko rin ang Showtime family na never ko talaga na-picture or in-expect and yun, sobrang thank you GMA.
Sinamahan lang talaga namin sa Sha.
Yes!
Talaga?
Grabe.
Grabe naman yung mga chaperon mo. Thank you very much. Enjoy the night. Thank you. I will see you later. Thank you. Grabe.
We're all wearing white.
Kasi malilinis tayong tao. Okay. You know, I was just telling David kanina, sabi ko, I wore this to give homage to Pulang Araw. I wore this Japanese thing.
Really?
Yeah, just for you. Just for you guys. Ganun ako ka-excited. Siyempre kayo, ganun din kayo ka-excited.
Yes. Oo. Actually, itong look ko din na to ay inspired by our show. As you can see, these are sakura branches. Pero ang flowers
Wow,
niya
cherry
is
blossom. Wow. So parang, yeah.
It homage to Japan and Philippines and it shows why at syempre as the new look of 1947 which celebrated the newly found peace after the war.
And
Ikaw
what?
naman.
Oh, and what are you looking forward to
oil paper
tonight?
to, ha?
What are you looking forward to tonight?
Looking forward to seeing everyone dahil hindi naman natin nakikita yung ako. Hindi ko nakita yung mga puso palagi. Super excited for that.
Barbie.
Yes, I'm very excited to see everyone. Actually, ang dami ko nang nakitang friends ko sa backstage.
Nakachismisan mo na.
Oo, dahil parang lahat kami, grabe, eto na yung gabing yun, makakakain na tayo. Lahat ganon, kasi syempre lahat kami talagang naghanda.
Hindi ka makakapag-Sharon kasi ang liit ng bag mo.
Wala naman ako sinabi mo, Sharon, na makakainin ko dito.
Dito tayo.
Yes, kakain tayo.
Ayan. Oh, ayan. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sabi mo, gagawin mong simple lang. I know it's simple, but yeah, pasabog pa din.
Simple pero parang I wanted to parang medyo mas chill lang. Kasi this is my third year attending the GMA Gala and parang syempre nung unang effort tapos yung pangalawa actually effort din naman to pero parang the team agreed, my styling team agreed naman na parang medyo mas relaxed fit lang siya, mas relaxed lang yung vibe na ibibigay ng outfit. Kaya I feel comfortable with this.
Actually, sinuot ko to para pay homage to Pulang Araw.
Oh, galing!
Ikaw din!
Meron. So, this is Dolce & Gabbana. And then with a pair of parang Schiaparelli brooch. Wow. So, kasi something sparkly daw something sparkling. So, simple lang pero I think medyo may statement naman.
It does. Thank you very much, Alden. I will see you later. Thank you. Bakit pinili mong maging simple tonight?
I wanted to look elegant and when I saw this dress, nakita ko na maganda yung silhouette, it looks elegant and also I like this parang pom-pom light thing.
It's so flattering.
It's very flattering and it makes it more look more elegant and modern.
Grabe, wala nang bumibitaw sa Widow's War. Ano ba to? Parang parang ikaw eh.
Ako na kayo pumatay pero ayaw pa rin nila akong paniwala. Hindi, yung reaction and yung reception is very overwhelming. We're very, very, very happy sa set. So mas sinisipag pa kami magtrabaho ng maayos kasi syempre when your work is being appreciated by many and so maraming salamat sa lahat na nanonood and the ones na nag-share on social media, their actions, their views and also their theories. Kasi kahit ako pa nagsiscroll, by the way, I read all of them.
You do?
Habang nagsiscroll ako, parang naisip ko, ano magandang theory yun
Oo, may mga binibigay na haka-haka ang mga fans eh. But you're walking solo tonight. How does it feel?
It feels great actually. It feels empowering, to be honest.
And you're looking lovely. Thank you very much.
so much.
Thank you. Alam mo, Carla, parati ko sinasabi doon sa mga taga-Widows War, hindi na bumibitaw ang mga tao.
Sana, mas dumami pa yung...
Hindi, I can really see the effort. Talaga, grabe.
Yes, it's
I have,
a collective effort. Super. Kahit ako, masasabi ko, hindi yan isa lang or dalawa, tatlo, but it's really everybody.
And I have not seen Carla that way.
Uy, totoo ba? Umpisa pa lang yun. They'll see more of...
So, gagrabe ka pa?
Yeah, they'll see more of yung hindi nila usual na napapanood sa akin. So, umpisa pa lang.
Grabe, you're walking solo tonight?
Yes, of course. Kahit naman yung first gay lang, solo na. But that's okay. Lagi ko naman sinasabi, kailangan ba ng escort? Di ba kailangan ng escort? Di ba kailangan ng +1?
Does it feel empowering? Sabi nga ni Bea kanina, it feels empowering.
Yes, of course. Because at least yung focus mo is on yourself. Wala ka nang kailangan isipin iba or anything. Tsaka, like I said, dami naman kami. So, kami yung magsasama. Kami mga walang escort or walang +1.
Just to have fun tonight.
Yes,
Thank
I will.
you.
Thank you, Nelson.
Carla, thank you. You never fail us. You never fail us.
so much.
Grabe, tell me something about your outfit first.
This is Couture, John Batista Valley. So it took about 5 months to make, but it's beautiful.
And Senator, of course, pati ikaw, binate. Ikaw una kong binate, sabi ko talaga, you are looking sharp.
He's
Grabe.
wearing Michael Leva.
Grabe. You're going places na, iba na.
Ambush lang.
Oo. Meron bang kinalaman si Mrs. dito sa Michael Leva mo?
Of course, I would not have been able to do this on my own.
Heart, of course, we are looking forward to more projects from you. Kailan ba?
Malapit na. I have something exciting coming.
Are we going to... Yung bang request namin mga fan mo?
Basta something very personal ang next kong gagawin sa GMA. So I'm very excited.
Of course, alam naman natin, the past 3 gala, parang iba-iba yung feeling. And now, you're just one happy person, you're just one happy couple.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I'm very, I consider myself #blessed. Nasa akin na siguro lahat, our good health, my husband, and everything else is a bonus.
Senator, you have anything to add to that? You're looking lovely. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And like you.
I know. Siyempre, di ba, how do you feel and what do you look forward to ngayong gabi?
Ngayon, makita lahat ng mga kaibigan nating mga bituin, mga superstars, makita yung ating mga boss, nagbibigay sa kanila lahat. Ayun, mag-enjoy lang ngayong gabi at mag-enjoy makakita ng mga tao dito sa
Jen, sorry tatanungin kita kasi everybody's asking, bakit wala si Jen?
Nagkaroon kami ng emergency sa bahay hindi siya nakasama.
So, nothing controversial about...
Wala naman. Ano lang, mga bagay na hindi may iwan ng ina.
Iba na kasi meron ng anak
Oo. Pero babawi next time.
And of course, i-announce yata tonight, no? Yung Green Bones.
Yan. Wow, excited. Excited ako doon. Kaya basa ko yung script, tapos ko na sa yung script. Namangha ako at na-excite sa mga katrabaho at sa mga excited.
Kakaiba ba to sa lahat ng mga ginawa mong movies before?
Naiiba siya, hindi pa nakakagawa ng ganitong klase para sa pelikula. Kahit sa TV, parang wala pang ganito Basta very compelling yung script na talagang parang hindi mo mapapalagpas yung excited ng mga trabaho sa Direct Z. Yung kwento ni Ricky Lee, lalo na siguradong quality itong project na
Then we're so excited and syempre, I will allow you muna to have fun tonight. Thank you. Nice to see you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I will have to bow down to the Queen first. As always, hindi niyo kami binibigo. Kapuso Primetime King and Queen, grabe. Anong nilook forward natin tonight sa gala?
Well, sabi ko nga kanina dun sa interview, parang itong pagkakataon na makita mo uli ang lahat ng mga artista na sama-sama. Kasi usually nakikita mo lang sila kapag katrabaho mo eh. So this time, nag-gather uli lahat.
Dong, what are you looking forward to tonight?
Nako, unang-una na makasama ang aking misis. Alam mo, sobrang busy niya. Na-miss ko na sa parang date night sa amin. And of course, it's an opportunity for us to be with our fellow Kapuso. Just to celebrate one another.
Wow. And you are looking so lovely. Talaga, grabe. Both of you. Grabe, akala ko ikaw yung anak mo. You're looking so young and loved tonight.
Thank you.
Of course, hindi ko na pangungunahan yung speech mo mamaya, pero ano bang sasabihin natin sa ating mga Kapuso?
Well, this is like a celebration and a Thanksgiving. So, ayun, magpapasalamat lang talaga tayo sa lahat ng ating mga Kapuso, mga kaibigan, mga partners, yun, for all their support throughout these years.
At palaki ng palaki ang GMA Gala natin.
Yes, yun nga, naghahanap ng saan pa kaya magkakasya, di ba? And next year will be our 75th year. So, it's going to be a big celebration.
It's going to be bigger than this one.
Of course.
Wow.
It's a milestone.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the night. Thank you.
I'd like to thank all those who really worked hard for this, yung Sparkle staff most especially. So, ang sarap ng feeling na everyone is here. So, I think ito yung bonding or most, yun kumbaga, lahat tayo magkakasama, not just GMA, but all of our partners are here tonight.
Saka grabe yung suporta ng Sparkle Stars, no? Talagang
Yes,
they really went out of their way to look this good.
Nakikita ko na kasi yung mga gowns na they submitted to us for, for approval. I'm overwhelmed. Pati yung, if you guys know how like they collaborated it on with the fashion designers, ganun sila tutok. Sobrang silang seryoso. They planned every detail. Kahit yung mga shoots nila, they did some shoots also. Siguro months in preparing. So, kudos to all the Sparkle Stars talaga.
Well, congratulations to all of us, Miss Joy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us, Updaters. Stay tuned for more special features right here on Updated with Nelson Canlas. Please like and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Spotify, and wherever you get your podcasts. Until next time, I'm Nelson Canlas. See you soon.